Nebula Lateo, and for this video we will be working on stomach rolls or belly rolls. Stomach rolls. So the way I do the belly roll is I imagine myself squeezing a ball internally down. So I'll show you once. So you squeeze the ball down. I visualize it and I imagine myself doing that, and I move my stomach accordingly. And it's using your stomach muscles. You're not using your back, if you see from the side. And it can get bigger if you move your upper body and your spine and your back. Well, if you move your torso with it. So you release when you lean back and squeeze as you lean forward. And then we'll do some stationary. The slower you do it, the more you can articulate your abs and start to understand how to move your stomach muscles. Some teachers separate lower upper abs. I started with visualization, because when I was learning to do belly rolls and to do belly dance and to move my abs, I could not differentiate between lower and upper abs. I did not have that muscle memory, so I just visualized the squeezing the ball thing, and then it got me to gradually articulate and understand how to work with my abs. I got the muscle memory, and it became easier to do different ab movements. And then you can go forward, back. You can go or so you can do some figure eights, vertical eights, while also rolling down. So here are some eights without the stomach roll. Now with the stomach roll. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then again without the stomach roll. And then there's also the reverse roll where you go from down to up. Just imagine squeezing the ball up. For me, this was actually easier to do. You can do a hip circle squeeze up, down, up, down with the chest. So you go hip circle squeeze up, down, hip circle squeeze up, hip circle squeeze up, down, squeeze down. Different combos, you know. So we're just gonna squeeze up, 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 up. You can also do the Maya or lower, because there's a vertical 8 and there's an up 8 and there's a down 8, which is usually commonly called the Maya. And then you can do the reverse belly roll. So here it is without the reverse belly roll. And now adding it. So we're going to space it out between 2 hip movements, slowly, or 3. 1, 2, 3. Let's try some combos. Roll down. 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 Roll. Up. The horizontal 8s. Shimmy. Roll as you come up. Roll down. Down. Circle. Roll up. 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 Down, down, down. Okay? I hope you enjoyed this video and it helped you with your stomach rolls. Let me know if you have any questions and how it went for you. Again, I'm Nebula Lateo. Remember to subscribe for more fun and flirty belly dance videos. I think this one is a bit more sultry with the slow ab movements and stomach rolls. So, wish you a good day and a good evening.